Okay, so the crash course program is where I work along with students to help them achieve better grades. The crash course program is me going over each topic in detail, detailing every concept, and then also solving topical past papers with my students. Because at the end of the day, I want my students to be very, very, very sure that they know the whole entirety of the big picture, because that is what you really need to solve the paper correctly. So mostly these programs are 3-4 month long. This time it's a half-year long program starting in January and will end at your last exam date. That's what I do. I support my students till the end. So if you do feel like you need a bit of extra help, then do register for these crash courses. And if you're concerned that you might not be able to finish, that I might not be able to finish my course on time, then let me tell you that I've had students whom I prepared for A2 level physics in 1 month. We're having about 6 months, 5 to 6 months to prepare for A2 level physics and AS level physics. So if I can do that, then I can do this as well. You have to trust me on that. Right. So if you're interested in this crash course program, you can find the details of them on our website and possibly even register them. Everything is on the website. And if you're watching this video on the website, it's down below this video. Apart from that, I also wanted to say that if you haven't claimed your copy of the free topical past papers, then do so by logging on to our website, and you'll find the buttons everywhere, and everything will lead you to that, go to your free copy. So do make sure you claim that, because that's what we are giving away for free. Have a nice day, and I'll see you around.